Have you ever had one of those days in class where you're watching the teacher and they're talking and they're talking, and then all of a sudden they're done and you're left to fend for yourself, but you really don't remember what they were talking about? Or worse, after class you're at home and you sit down and you don't remember a thing. You were trying to pay attention, but it's debatable whether or not they were even speaking a language that you understand. Because if it was a language that you know, you would think that you would remember something of what they were talking about. If you're constantly forgetting what happened in class, it may be a sign that sitting and listening isn't the best way for you to learn. Everybody has a different learning style, so this isn't really surprising or a problem. It might work for the person sitting beside you, but there's nothing wrong with you if it doesn't work for you. It just doesn't work. So if you're one of these people who find that information goes in one ear and out the other, it is super, super important for you to take notes in class. The act of writing things down is useful for both kinesthetic and visual learners. So if plain listening isn't cutting it for you, taking notes will most likely make a huge difference. Even if your teacher provides you with take-home notes or slides, it doesn't mean that taking notes is a waste of time and paper. These notes don't have to be your study notes or anything. The point is to write as you're listening so your brain processes the information on a deeper level. Sometimes the best way to learn anything quickly is to use multiple learning styles at once. Just sitting and listening is only one style, and it doesn't work for everybody. And it certainly doesn't work for me, so no judgment. If you want more ideas to make studying easier, check out this playlist. It has tons of study tips and tricks to help you get that A+ with less effort. And while you're here, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and turn on notifications so you never miss another video. I will see you soon.